All right, it's the holiday season. We got the Blackstone fired up. It's nice and warm. We're gonna do some holiday pancakes. All right, this recipe is fairly simple. We got our all-purpose flour. This is roughly about a cup and a half. Got some baking powder. This is roughly 3.5 tablespoons. And then we got some sugar. Got some salt. About a 1/4 teaspoon. We're just gonna whisk this together all nice. Got about a cup and a half of some milk and 1 whole egg. All right, we're just gonna whisk up this milk and egg. All right, we got our dry powder. Now we're gonna add in the wet, our milk and egg, and our melted butter. And we're just gonna start folding it over. Mixing it nice. We're not gonna whisk this, we're just gonna fold over. Just make it nice and fluffy. And I almost forgot, but we're gonna wanna add a little bit of vanilla for some flavor. Try to always do that with my pancakes. Let's just mix that in. Almost forgot. Wouldn't have been a big deal, but we like some vanilla in there. And here I'm just putting some avocado oil, spreading it around the griddle. Have a nice non-stick. I like avocado oil, that's what we use in our house. For each pancake, we're gonna use about a 1/2 cup. To get more servings, depending on who you're feeding, you can do a 1/4 cup. This 1/2 cup will give me about, I think, 5 or 6 pancakes. This batter gets fairly thick, a little clumpy, but you'll see these pancakes turn out delicious. Alright, the griddle's about 390 degrees. These pancakes should cook fairly quickly. We're going for a nice golden brown if we can. If not, no worries. Alright, let's give them a flip. Oh yeah. All right, these have cooked for about maybe 5 to 6 minutes. These are done, let's take them off. All right, let's assemble these pancakes. I'm gonna make a pancake tower. Probably a little ridiculous, but it's gonna look very good. For my family, I usually don't do it this way, but for presentation, we're going for it. We're gonna top off with some fresh cut strawberries. Give it that nice red color. Add some personality to these pancakes. Then it's snowing. We're gonna dust them with some powdered sugar to your liking. Then we got some maple syrup. Going for the nice visual effect, having it run off the pancake and out the sides. Then we have some Ready Whip. I wanted to go more, but let's keep it decent. And of course, we're gonna top it off with some Christmas colored sprinkles. If you like this, give it a follow. The kids enjoyed, I enjoyed. Nice, delicious, fluffy pancakes. Great for Christmas morning. Everyone's excited. And what kid doesn't like pancakes? Let me know what your go-to breakfast for Christmas morning is. Whew, I don't even know how to tackle this. I don't want to ruin it. It looks so good. Get some whipped cream. Strawberries. That's dang good.